Hello everyone, I'm Farel Imran and today I'll be telling you about OpenAI. So, not just OpenAI, OpenAI has just released yesterday ChatGPT 4o, and O stands for Omni. So, it's a better version of GPT-4, and I'll be telling you about all the features of ChatGPT 4 and what it will be doing and the advancements. And the thing is that the first thing is that it's free, and the second thing is that it has beaten all other models. So let's get started. Now, here I'm at a blog which says OpenAI debuts GPT-4o Omni model now powering ChatGPT. Now here, just yesterday they announced that they call the GPT-4, and what it does, it does the voice, text, and vision. Means you can you can capture the images or like show from your mobile phone. You can show the images and it can recognize it. It can even, you can talk to it through voice, like for example even the real time translations. Like for example, if you have a friend which talks in some other language like Italian or French or some other language that you don't understand, so you can ask ChatGPT to, can you be like a translator for me, real time translator for me. So it can be your translator. When then you speak to it in English, and then what it does, it translates the language, the intended language, to the other person, like it will say, and then person will speak, and then it will translate back to you in English. So it is doing this, and it is doing more things also. For example, algebra, like for example, it also showed, like for example, it also, what it does, it, for example, even use like it shows you like through images, like you can see it here, is showing the algebra and the things, so it can do that also. Even in the desktop, ChatGPT can solve the equations, the equations it can do. Now let me tell you more stuff. Here you can see it has vision abilities, means it also has a window and a desktop screen, photo and a desktop screen. It can also quickly answer related questions, like for example, like what's going on in this software code, or even it can ask to like what brand of shirt is the person wearing, like you can just show this person. Or even you can do that, you can show like through the camera, you can show to ChatGPT your room and ask it like what kind of room is it, or do you think where I am sitting. And it has, and ChatGPT is more human like now. It looks like as if you're talking to a person, not a robot. It's not like AI. So here you can see now, and in the future, they say that they would allow ChatGPT to watch a live sports game and explain the rules to you. So they're doing many. Now here it says OpenAI claims that it has enhanced performance in around 50 languages, and at present the voice isn't part of the GPT-4 for all customers. It's just for some people, and it's free. So let me show you here. So this is the main page or the website of OpenAI, in which you can see here. Now let me show you this about the announcement.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, it's going great. How about you? I see you're rocking an OpenAI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling though? Are you in a cool industrial style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video. Or maybe even a live stream.
Yeah. In fact, we've got a new announcement to make.
That's exciting. Announcements are always a big deal. Judging by the setup, it looks like it's going to be quite the professional production. Is this announcement related to OpenAI?
It is. And in fact, what if I were to say that you're related to the announcement, or that you are the announcement?
So here you can see that the person is talking to ChatGPT and showing the room, and the ChatGPT is telling like it's kind of a production setup, and there are like cameras, tripods, and all this. And because, and even if you heard the language, like how ChatGPT was speaking, it looked like human, like there was interaction. And it also accepts any combination of text, audio, image, and video, and it also generates any combination of text, audio, and image. And it can respond to audio inputs as little as 232 milliseconds with an average of 320 milliseconds, now which is similar to the human response time in a conversation. And it also matches GPT-4 turbo performance on text in English and code, with significant improvement on text in non-English languages. So, and it's 50% cheaper in the API, and it's especially better at vision and audio. Even ChatGPT can sing now also. Like if you ask for a lullaby, now if you see that, how I said that two GPTs can interact and sing also. In addition, they can ask you for the interview prep. Like for example, if you want to do interview preparation, so ChatGPT can help you in that also. In addition, rock paper scissors, so a game for rock paper scissors. There is some sarcasm also, means ChatGPT can be sarcastic also. And there's also maths, like here you can see that they're doing maths also. And here you can see there are two GPTs who are harmonizing, and you can learn Spanish, like point and learn Spanish, like what is this, like what is apple in Spanish, what is banana in Spanish. So these things also, you can also meet AI also, like meeting AI. And real-time translation also, like these two guys were asking, like if my friend, he knows Italian or Spanish, so can you translate it for me, so they would be real time. And lullaby also, like is that this person said that about, like can you ask, like he asked ChatGPT that can you make a like a lullaby about potatoes. So the ChatGPT said it would be a mashup. So, and here there was talking faster, in which this person asked ChatGPT that can you count from 1 to 10, and ChatGPT was counting slowly. So he asked, can you do it faster? So ChatGPT did a lot faster, and then he asked again, can you make it a little bit slower? So this thing was going on. So it's like you can use voice mod to to talk to ChatGPT, and it's 3 separate models. So here there's the input, and like how the input was given, and then what was the output. And they're here, this is the evaluations. Now evaluations, what they're doing now, GPT-4o, it achieves GPT-4 turbo level performance on text, reasoning, and coding intelligence, and it sets new high watermarks on the multilingual audio and vision capability. Here you can see in text evaluation, the pink is GPT-4o, the blue is Llama 3, Gemini Ultra 1.0, which is the light blue color. So all of these, so here you can see that GPT-4o is higher. And in language tokenizations, the 20 languages were chosen as representatives of the new tokenizers, means in which there was Gujarati, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, Hindi, Urdu, Arabic, Persian, Russian, Korean, Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese, Turkish, Italian, German, Spanish, Portuguese, French, English. So all these languages were used for tokenization. So means like ChatGPT can talk to you in these languages. And there are some limitations also. Means, yeah. Okay, so the evaluations of cybersecurity, CBRN, persuasion, and model anatomy shows that GPT-4o does not score above medium risk in any of these categories. Means there are some limitations still. So they also tested the pre-safety mitigation and post-safety mitigations. They use custom fine-tuning and prompts to better, means to like better the model capabilities. So here you can see that there also here there was the examples of the model limitations. It was that okay, so ChatGPT was first talking in English, and it was like in the middle of it started talking in French. So this ChatGPT did. So here are all the capabilities, and in this website you can go through it. You can rewatch the live demos in which about it. Here you can learn more about it, and there's some more tools. You can learn more that the you can learn more the tools and the advancements. So here you can experience it. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.